Industries. Introduction to industries. Evolution of manufacturing. Manufacturing industries. Need for industries in the world. Factors affecting industry location. Geographical factors. Non-geographical factors. Introduction to industries. Industries are crucial in meeting human needs and providing employment globally. Evolution of manufacturing. Technological advances. Manufacturing has become more complex with technological advancements, producing a wide range of goods from basic household items to modern gadgets. Processes. Raw materials undergo various processes like ginning, spinning, and refining before they are used. Manufacturing industries. Definition. These industries transform raw materials into finished products using machinery and skilled labor. Modern characteristics. Utilize diverse raw materials, significant capital investment, skilled labor, and advanced technology. Need for industries in the world. Historical context. India, in 1947, focused on developing industries due to underutilized resources. Economic impact. Industries drive economic growth, increase national income, and improve living standards. Examples. Countries like America and Japan have benefited significantly from industrialization. Factors affecting industry location. Geographical factors. Non-geographical factors. Geographical factors. Raw materials. Proximity to resources like sugarcane for sugar industries or iron ore for steel industries. Power supply. Industries locate near energy sources like thermal or hydroelectric power plants. Water supply. Essential for industries such as chemicals and textiles, often located near rivers or canals. Transportation. Access to railways, ports, or navigable rivers reduces transportation costs. Market access. Proximity to markets ensures efficient product distribution. Labor availability. Availability of labor influences industry location, with large-scale industries often establishing townships. Climate. Industries like cotton textiles prefer warm and humid climates. Non-geographical factors. Capital. Major cities attract industries due to availability of financial resources and investors. Management. Efficient organization and management are critical for large-scale operations. Government policies. Governments play a vital role in industrial planning, providing infrastructure and addressing environmental concerns.